Okay, so the boat is done. It is ready. I'm going to get in it for you and just sit down in this cool boat. It's all ready to go. The new owner's coming tomorrow to load it up and take it. And I'm sitting in it, and he has some oarlocks over here. And it's just a beautiful boat. Let me get up here and give you the grand tour. This is so awesome. He did a really good job with this thing. Let's get a look from the outside. It has a nice bend on the bow. And there you go. Yes, I have boat cushions. Those seats are hard. Right? And the back here. Looks just like any boat you'd see out there. Except it's wood. All right.